Chapter 3. Working with Windows 7. Chapter Focus. GUI based operating system. Different components of Windows 7. Steps of setting up date and time. Steps of managing files and folders. Operating system is the most important software of a computer, without which a computer cannot work. There are several examples of operating systems such as Windows XP, Windows 7, Linux, Unix, etc. Do you know? Windows 7 became generally available on October 22, 2009. Windows 7. Windows 7 is a personal computer operating system that was developed by Microsoft. It is a GUI-based operating system. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. GUI controls the various functions of the computer by the use of a mouse only. Some of the new features included in Windows 7 were advancement in touch, speech and handwriting recognition, support for additional file formats, and improved boot performance. Desktop of Windows 7. Desktop is the first screen that you see when you start the computer. It is also a work area where you can work with your programs. Let us discuss about the various components of desktop of Windows 7. Icons. Icons are small pictures related to a particular program. It is present on the desktop. We need to double-click on an icon to open its corresponding program. Clock. Clock is present on the bottom right corner showing current time. Taskbar. It is located at the bottom of the screen. It contains Start button, quick access icons, clock, etc. Start button. A small round button present on the leftmost corner of taskbar is called Start button. Start menu. A menu opens up with different options when you click on Start button. It is called Start menu. Components of program window. Scroll bar. A scroll bar present at the right side or bottom of the window is used to scroll the page if complete content is not visible. Title bar. The title bar at the top of the window displays name of the current open file. Menu bar. Bar at the top of the window just below the title bar contains menu such as File, Edit, View, Tools and Help. Workspace. It is the work area where you can perform any action and do a task. Corners and borders. Corners and borders function are used to resize the window. Minimizing, maximizing and restoration of window. Windows 7 has the features of minimizing, maximizing and restoring of window. You can enlarge or shrink the window whenever you need. Minimize button. It is used to shrink the window and place it on taskbar. Maximize button. It is used to enlarge a window so that it can fit on the entire screen. Restore button. The size of window can be restored to previous size by using Restore button. Setting of date and time. Windows 7 provides a feature to display time and date on the computer system. Following are the steps to set the time and date on computer. Click on the date and time option that appears in the notification area. Then click on Change Date and Time Setting to change the setting of the clock. Another date and time dialog box will appear. Click on Change Date and Time button. You will see another dialog box, Date and Time Settings. You can set the time and date here manually. To set date and time manually, click on Change Date and Time. Then click on Change Time Zone and select your time zone. Date and time setting dialog box will appear. Select the date by using up, down buttons. Then click on OK. Managing files and folders. 1. File. A file is the common storage unit where items such as images, documents, video clips, and audio songs can be stored in the computer. 2. Folder. A group of files is known as folder. A folder may have many files. 3. Directory. Directory is a place for storing files in the computer system. They are found in hierarchical file system. Creating a folder. A file is created when you save data. You can save any number of files anywhere in any drive of C, D, E, etc. or in pen drive. For example, you had a birthday party and you want to save pictures and videos of that party. You will create 2 folders to save pictures in one folder and videos in another folder. Ways to create a new folder. To create a new folder, use the following steps. Step 1. First, go to that location where you want to create a new folder. Step 2. Then, right-click anywhere on the blank space. Step 3. Select New Folder from the menu. Step 4. An empty folder will display. You can give any name to it. Finding a file and folder. To find a file, use the following steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Type the name of the file or folder that you want to search in the search box. Step 3. All the search related to the typed text will appear. Select the file or folder that you want. Renaming a file and folder. To rename a file and folder, use the following steps. Step 1. Select that file or folder you want to change the name of. Step 2. Click on Organize from the toolbar. Step 3. Select Rename. Step 4. Type the name that you want, then press Enter. Copy a file or folder. To copy a file or folder, use the following steps. Step 1. Click the file or folder that you want to copy. Step 2. Choose Copy option from the shortcut menu by right-clicking the mouse. Step 3. Then go to that location where you want to copy. Step 4. Right-click the mouse to choose Paste option at the location. Files or folders will be copied at the desired location. Moving a file or folder. To move a file or folder from one place to another place, use the following steps. Step 1. Click the file or folder that you want to move to some other place. Step 2. Right-click the mouse and choose Cut from the shortcut menu. Step 3. Now, go to that location where you want to move the file or folder. Step 4. Right-click the mouse and choose Paste from the shortcut menu. Files or folder will be moved at the desired location. Delete a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, use the following steps. Step 1. Select that file or folder which you want to delete. Step 2. Right-click the mouse and choose Delete option from the menu. The file or folder will be deleted. Restore a deleted file or folder. All the deleted files are not removed completely from the computer system. It is moved to the recycle bin. If you want to restore, follow the given steps. Step 1. Double-click on the recycle bin. Step 2. Select the file or folder that you want to restore. Step 3. Press right-click mouse button and select Restore option. Closing the window. Click on the Close button that appears on rightmost top corner. Click on Exit from File menu, or you can press Alt plus F4. Points to remember. GUI controls various functions of the computer. Scroll bar, title bar, menu bar, workspace, corners and borders are the components of program window. Minimize button to shrink, maximize button to enlarge, restore button to restore the previous size are located on the extreme right side of the title bar. A file is a common storage unit. A folder is a group of files. A directory is a place for storing files. A.